Judge, welcome back.
Oh, thank you. My mom missed everybody, but their electricity is down. So,
Really?
yes,
Storm-based or?
yes.
Okay.
So I'm like, oh. And Vashawn, I started my weight loss journey with mom. You know, if you walk 10,000 steps a day, you'll lose a pound a week.
Is that right?
Oh, I'm a pound down. Of course, that happens. And I'm having sugar withdrawals. Oh, I did sugar cold turkey.
Don't worry, we're some sweet judge you need.
Are you the same Donald Lee Barnett Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 9214 for the offense of credit debit card abuse elderly on March 9, 2023 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
State.
Your Honor, this is on the state's motion to supplement the pending motion.
All right. Did you review the state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you review that with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you also review state's second motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you understand those supplements?
Yes, Your Honor.
State.
Violating condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Donald Lee Barnett Jr., did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of June, July, August, and September 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, state waives all the violations.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. I think there's one issue that the defense may take up, but the most part is agreed. It's GPS for tracking the drug patch. And the thing that the defense is going to disagree with is remaining custody for TAP and follow recommendations.
All right, defense.
Yes, Your Honor, and this goes into kind of the bigger issue as to why this motion was filed and why Mr. Barnett is here. I don't know if you want me to address that now.
Yes.
Just this. So he, like you mentioned, he was placed on deferred back in March. He is his mother's primary caretaker. She is in a wheelchair, and then right around that same time, his sister passed away as well. So he was dealing with a lot of family issues. Additionally, he lives in Kerrville and he does not have a car. So his mom being in a wheelchair, his sister passing away, the lack of a vehicle made everything very difficult for Mr. Barnett as far as being able to report. Now he understands that, if he's given this opportunity again today, that he's going to have to address those issues so this does not happen again. But as far as his mother, him being a primary caretaker, we would just ask that since he's going to be on GPS anyways, if the court follows our agreement, that he be released pending the TAP while he's on GPS so we can ensure that his mother's taken care of.
All right, you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Donald Barnett.
What is your occupation?
Right now, I'm not working. I'm just taking care of my mother.
And you're receiving, I'm assuming, money from the government for doing that.
No, I don't get no money. I live pretty much, my mother pays the bills, but I just take care of her.
Well, how are you making money if you're not receiving government?
I do side work, handyman, but that's here and there. And I don't really.
No, that's not enough. So
That's not
how
enough.
is your mother receiving funds?
My mother, she gets a social and I don't know, whatever they take care of her. I don't know
All right, just one moment off the record. If you'll contact Anna, Delcine is supposed to be there. And she will, so it's Delcine. All right, sorry, back on the record.
Sorry. She gets her, I guess, Social Security and I guess can't believe it.
Disability.
Disability. There you go.
Here's the thing. You're charged with credit debit card abuse elderly. That's why this is a 3rd-degree felony.
Right.
So I don't allow people to be home healthcare providers while they're on probation. I know that this plea was taken by somebody else, but I don't allow that. And it appears to me that you're trying to be a home healthcare provider for your mom. And I'm not going to allow that. How old are you?
42.
All right, you're 42. You're going to have to get employment.
That's fine.
And the fact that you're telling me that you do odd jobs means that your mother is not needing you 24/7. So you're going to have to get employment. And your employment in this court is not taking care of your mom and living off of her Social Security. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So why didn't you pick up the phone and call probation and tell them you were having these issues?
I emailed.
All right. Probation. All right. So Mr. Barnett is saying that he emailed probation about the issues he was having. While they're looking at that, why are they asking for a drug patch for you?
I have no idea.
All right. So obviously you're not testing. That's an issue.
Judge, the last correspondence I have in the system was from June 29th of 2023.
All right. This is what the court will do. Court is going to give you a choice. Sometimes I can't give people choices, but here's your choice. I can give you 2 years at the prison. You do your time, you'll be done. Otherwise, what I'm going to do is deny the motion, alternate remaining conditions. There's going to be GPS tracking, and there's going to be a patch, and there's going to be a TAP evaluation while you're in custody. And whatever those TAP evaluations recommend, if they recommend inpatient treatment, don't have your attorney coming back to me asking for you not to have inpatient treatment, because that's what you're going to receive. So those are your two choices.
Okay.
Yes.
The TAP was complete a couple of weeks ago, and the recommendation is for random monthly UAs. And should he test positive during the term of the probation, then we can do a revision.
So that's what they're saying. Oh, States, you may continue to confirm.
Yes, ma'am.
So which would you prefer?
The GPS.
All right, so this is what we're going to do. Deny the motion, alternate remaining conditions to GPS tracking. There's going to be the UA hotline until further notice. And where's he requesting for a transfer?
To Kerrville, Your Honor.
Yes.
Probation. Do you all do a transfer to Kerrville? Is that needed?
Yes, it is, Judge.
All right, so there'll be a transfer to Kerrville. You're not transferred to Kerrville until you're informed that you've been transferred.
Okay. So
There's no need for the patch since we're doing the UA hotline.
I'm sorry.
There's no need for patch. Are we able to do the UA hotline for him in Kerrville? Do they have such a thing?
I'll go check.
All right, if Kerrville doesn't have the UA hotline, then patch. And then he's going to provide proof of employment, and it's not odd jobs. It's a job that gives you a W-2 or whatever. Proof of employment within 30 days. And you're going to need to get a full-time job. And there's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
okay.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. In this court, to be successful on probation, you need to stay in contact with probation. If you feel as though they're not addressing some issue you have, you can always come back to court.
Okay.
All right, good luck to you.
My name is Happy. I upload courtroom video for education purpose. This video may contain copyrighted works not specifically authorized for use, but believed in good faith to be protected by the fair use doctrine under Section 107 of U.S. copyright law.